Imagine seeing your yearly progress, right here on this dashboard. Let's start from the beginning. On the sheet, your habits, I add my daily habits. Sport, 10,000 steps, meditation, reading 10 pages, yoga. For each one, I choose how many times per week I want to do it. Then I set the start date for my calendar and choose which day my week begins. Now let's see how the monthly tracker works. The tracker automatically counts how many times I need to complete each habit in the month. Every day when a habit is done, I just check the box. If I reach my weekly goal, a small trophy appears. At the top, I can see how many habits I completed that day. On the right, progress bars show my percentage and what's left to do. There's also a total progress for the month, how many habits are done, not done, and how many golden stars I earned. The habits column is frozen, so it's easier to fill in your data. You can unfreeze it, right-click the column, view more column actions, unfreeze columns. On the left, there's a menu that updates automatically based on your first selected month. You can use it to move between months easily, and if you want, you can rename the month tabs below. Finally, the yearly dashboard. At the top, you can see the total stats, how many habits are completed and how many are left. There's a chart showing planned versus completed habits by month. And on the right, detailed stats for each habit, how many times you did it during the year in numbers and percentages. This overview helps you see the whole year at a glance and keeps you motivated to continue. There's also a README sheet with full instructions and pictures. If you'd like to get this annual habit tracker, the link is below the video.